How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here in today's video, I'll go ahead and walk you through how to change or switch your physical SIM card directly to your iPhone 14 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro, or iPhone 14 Plus. Now, changing your physical SIM card is not really complicated process. However, though, if you are using a US variant, there's no way that you guys can use the physical SIM card. If you're using a US variant iPhone, you gotta use a eSIM card. Since we are not using a US variant right here, so I'm gonna show you how easily you can switch your SIM card right to your iPhone. Now you just use a SIM card here. First thing first, you gotta have your SIM card on your hand along with the SIM ejector. So as you guys can see right here, I have a SIM card and the SIM ejector. First, just go ahead and eject your SIM tray or just simply remove a SIM tray from your iPhone 14 Pro Max here. Now before you go ahead and place your SIM card right onto your iPhone 14 Pro Max, now if you want to quickly get it to support on your phone, here's a quick thing that you guys can literally do. Just go ahead and grab your SIM card and a rubber and just go ahead and remove those dust and particle from your SIM plate. Now once you cleaned out your SIM properly, just go ahead and put your SIM card to the tray. And now put it back on your iPhone 14 Pro Max and now see what happens. Now once you just insert your SIM card on your iPhone 14 Pro Max, if you go ahead and swipe down from the top here, you'll be able to see now it is actually showing you the signal. That means now your SIM card is accessible and you can do any work from your SIM card. You can make any call, texts, anything that you want from your SIM card. Alright guys, so this is how you guys can change or switch your SIM card directly to your iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this is how you can do it. Hope you found this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later.